Hey everyone, are you looking to restore your old or damaged photos like this? Then you are in right place. I'll guide you through restoring old or damaged photos using some amazing free AI tools. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll first want to upscale your image, which improves its resolution before restoring finer details. Open your preferred browser on your computer and search for a tool called Let's Enhance. Head to their official website. Log in or create an account if you're new to it. Once you're in, you'll see the home page. Now upload the image you want to restore and start processing. The tool will start enhancing its size and resolution. Once the upscaling is complete, download your updated image. Next, we'll focus on facial restoration. Open a new browser tab and search for a website called Restore Photos. Go to their official site. Sign up using Google account. Upload the upscaled image. This tool uses AI to bring out details in any faces detected within your photo, making them look clearer and more lifelike. After it's done, download the enhanced version of the image. Lastly, for the final polish, open another new tab and look up on Google PixArt Old Photo. Once on the site, log in or create an account, then upload your enhanced photo. This tool applies its own AI improvements, often providing the finishing touches that make a huge difference. Give it a moment to work, and you'll see a fully restored version of your image. And that's it for this guide. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy photo restoring.